remember, if I can cook it, so can you. So go nowhere. Let's create. So what I'm going to do, I have a half a pound of scallops, fresh scallops. And there are not a lot here, so I'm going to keep this kind of in a ratio. I'm going to create a sort of sweet and sour mix. And what I have here is it's about a tablespoon of light soy sauce, about a tablespoon of brown sugar or sugar replacement. I have a couple of garlic teeth, it's minced. About half a teaspoon of ginger, ground ginger. About the same amount in black pepper. Half a tablespoon of, actually a couple teaspoons of white vinegar. And I have some here, what I have is a squeeze of lemon. Or if you don't have lemon for whatever reason, you can use lemon extract. It works too. And have some sea salt handy. Have some of that handy. Because this is very simple. So now it's time to start putting stuff together. I like to always put the vinegar first, just to get it kind of moist. You know, get my seafood moist. And then I start adding, you know, the pepper. I like to add some of the, you know, other ingredients. Let's put some of that sugar or sugar replacement, brown sugar. Put a little bit of the, and see how nice it's looking. A little bit of the lemon. Garlic. And then I start mixing stuff up, the sugar, the brown sugar, the lemon, the vinegar, everything. And then I put a tiny bit of salt. Not a lot, just a little bit of the sea salt. Look at this, baby. Look at this. Isn't that nice? And you can put this overnight. You can put it 15 minutes before, an hour, doesn't matter. It really doesn't matter. So I have the heat at medium high for now. I have some coconut oil. You can use any type of oil for this, including, you know, extra virgin olive oil. Just put some here. Doesn't have to be a lot. If you feel that it's a lot, just take some out. Don't want it too greasy. Make sure this is hot. So things are hot. Start moving these babies here. It's going to cook. It's not going to take you a long time. Clearly you want to use some of this nice mix. And these babies are going to caramelize, are going to cook deliciously. Deliciously. It's going to cook very deliciousness. See how it's caramelizing? It's going to get it the flavor. Okay, so I have this potato. I peel it. And I like to cut a little bit at the bottom to create, because when I like this, they start moving. So by cutting a slice on the bottom, it creates that situation that you can put things solid And then I got some slices, sharp knife. See? And then you start creating the size of slice that you want. What I got chips in England, chips. Potatoes. And you don't have to go too fancy, you can go here and, you know, see? Very simple. Do the same for the other ones. So I have the heat on medium. This vegetable oil you can use anytime. I have it actually medium high. Reduce it to a couple notches above medium. And just start adding these potatoes. Look at this beauty. See? I'm not messing around. I'm just going to put them there. From here to there. Let things cook, huh? Let it cook. See? Just let it be.